Okay, this is the big oak that's just on the other side of the creek. It used to be, and it's fallen. These strong winds. Here's my poor girls, dislocated. Their home is crushed. I still have a chicken in there, one chicken that I can find that is trapped. I have to go in and cut her out. Here's the, you can hear them complaining, giving me the update. This is the base of the tree. It's actually lifted up our bridge. Yeah. Here's the spokeswoman. She's letting me know all about it. Very unhappy. There's the base of the tree, which is at least 4 feet. Yeah, natives aren't happy. The whole back end is blown out, sprawled out all over the backyard.